just installing a Caesar stone top onto the vanity. So you can see he's masked up around the top edge so that if any of the silicone spills over, that it doesn't damage the inside of the cabinet. And now he's applied a layer of silicone to the top edge. So the stonemason actually cut the top. This was, now it's getting positioned.
Right.
Sorry. So it's important to make sure that it's on the top squarely,
From the back.
which it is.
Yep. Yep.
Okay, so now he's doing the gap at the back so that this prevents any water from spilling down the back of the cabinet. As you can see, he's masked it up. Now he's putting down a bead of silicone. Now just a tiny bead down the side of the stone top.